Let's cook my Aussie Snag curry.
The great thing about this recipe, it is really easy to do. It's traditional, but with my little take on it, and it's gluten-free and dairy-free. I've added some coconut milk instead of sugar for sweetness, which makes it also dairy-free. And I've also added a couple of extra types of spices just to give it a bit more oomph. It's important to get a good colour on your sausages because it's going to add flavour. And then once you cook your sausages, you need to turn your skillet down to cook your onions until they're translucent. Pop in the spices, keep the heat low. Give it a few seconds before adding the gluten-free chicken stock. And then I've added tomatoes as well because it will help thicken the sauce, plus give it a little bit more flavour. And like I say, coconut milk is what I've used. This is cornflour here with a little bit of cold water. That's going to help thicken the sauce too. Need to season well to your ability. Salt, and I'm using white pepper instead of cracked black pepper for this, just because I like the flavour. You basically pop it all together, cook it for a few extra minutes, and it's done.